how to remove Goguardian in school Chromebook. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to have the Goguardian on your school Chromebook be removed. Now in this method, it is going to be a typical glitch that I'm going to be showing you of one of the techniques, meaning it might not work on the first try. So what you want to have to do is to pull up your Goguardian or your browser from your school Chromebook, and you just have to add this into your bookmark list by clicking this star icon. Now let's name it as testing and then hit on done. Next thing you want to have to do is to access all the bookmarks that you created by clicking these three dots and then just hover your mouse into bookmarks and list. And then from here, you just need to pull up the specific bookmark that you have created, and you just need to access in it multiple times until the Goguardian will be removed. And that is how you remove Goguardian on School Chromebook.